Hey guys, my name's Kitty here and welcome back to my channel. Now today I am doing a slime review about all my slimes that I've ever made, and they are right here. They're not older slimes, they are just a quarter of what I'm starting. So go back to my other channel if you know what it is. It's DJ Will or Coda Will, or this channel, I'm confused. And make sure to go check out that. So let's get started with it. So first of all, sorry about the lighting. So start off with this really cool ink. By starting to move all these to the corners. Pick those up later, guys. And then move the camera, which is you. Okay, so this one is like a really fragile pastel pink. It's gonna look pinker, just because, like, yeah. Sorry you guys, I'm just trying to get a setting on. So this is like a really nice stretchy sort of slime. And this is the crunch. That's a really cool stretch. I'm just gonna put you guys like right here. That's what it looks like, and that's what it looks like. There's a few glitter sparkles. And anyways, it looks like. Moving on to the jiggly slime I did in my last video. This one I actually made previously in the morning today. This one's got more glitter. I'm not going to post it that much because, as you can see, I'm going to do a close up on the other video channel. Okay, so moving on to the expensive slimes that I've made. So, if you can read, metallic slime. Now this is a really stiff slime. Obviously clear glow slimes are really stiff. Well, for me. Sorry, the noise. I just dropped some. But if you don't like this video, I'm going to do the same video on the other channel. So this is a really nice metallic grey. These are 550 ounce, I'm pretty sure. But if not, comment down below. This is a really nice peach slime. It's also scented. I'm going to put this on the floor, or on the table. I'm going to turn this one into a butter slime when I get the Daiso clay. It's coming between the 16th of August and between
26th of July, which is currently right now. I cannot wait. Ooh, that's spicy. Sorry that you guys can actually see. Oops. Sorry guys about the angle. I haven't got proper camera set. So there's that slime. It's really nice. Oh. What's the matter? Okay. So moving on to this slime. Go like this. Hello. Slow. Drip out. This is a really glossy slime. It's also part-time sticky. Like, it's really heavy and stuff. Like, not really heavy. Like, it's not 500 grams. For this slime size, it stretches like hell. Make sure to follow me on Musical.ly, it's free. I'm sorry about the attitude today. I'm just not feeling that flash. Not chill. If I can cover this onto iPad screen, well, you guys have to subscribe and give me a like. But if you don't want to, that's fine. Oh my gosh, guys. I did it. Well, I basically did it. If you're not going to subscribe, what are you doing? Get off my channel. Go watch someone else's. But if you like it, give it a like. Okay, this slime is done. This one is exactly the same. So what's this one? This one is one of my favorites. This is a mermaid glitz slime. If you guys want to know what a glitz slime is, it's basically just a glitter slime. Cross between mermaid. Okay, I'm going to give you guys like a really nice close up. I'm going to make you guys zoom in. Oh. Okay guys, looks like the camera's like buggered. Okay, that one's done. Okay, so I'm very sorry guys, I've got to go to the shop real quick. And I'll be back in the next video. I may not do a video this week. I may or not, but if I do, subscribe. Yeah. So that's basically all my slimes. I suppose I can not do one more, because that's, yeah. I love you guys. Make sure to go follow me on Musical.ly. I think I've already said that, but if I did, just give it a thumbs up. And if you give it a thumbs down, what are you doing? Bye. Bye.